Hello, it's me, Mrs. Jones, and my friend Fred. Okay, say hello, Fred.
Hello.
Okay, we're here to do some more maths. Now, last time we were here, we did some measuring. And we used some string, and we measured Fred's body parts, his arm, his leg, that kind of thing. But today we found some objects.
Have we?
Yes, we have. And we're going to measure them, but not with string today. We're going to use bricks. Again, we're going to be thinking about length, how long something is. Okay? This is what I've got for you today. So, Mrs. Jones has found a shell, a seed pod.
Wow, that's big.
It is big. I think it's some sort of tree. Then I found a mouse with a really long tail.
Oh.
And over here, that is an egg case of a shark, okay, that Mrs. Jones found on the beach. Right, so we're going to measure the length of something. And to measure using bricks, okay, you have to make sure that you start at the beginning of your object, okay, and keep going till you get to the very end. You need to put your bricks, make sure they're in a straight line, okay, without overlapping, so end to end, and without any gaps. And make sure your bricks are the same size, okay? Have you got all that, Fred?
Wow, that's a lot to remember.
It is a lot to remember, but when you're doing measuring, it's really important. So let's go through it again. Make sure it goes from you start at the beginning of your object and go to the end of your object. Make sure your bricks aren't overlapping. Make sure your bricks are end to end. Make sure you don't leave any gaps, and make sure your bricks are the same size. Okay, here we go. Let's have a go. So we're going to look, Fred, at the shell first. I'm going to put some bricks, okay, under the shell. I'm going to make sure they're in a straight line. They're end to end. A little bit of a gap. Let's see if we can push them together. Right, how many bricks have we got there, Fred? Let's count them.
1, 2.
Okay, 2 bricks long for a shell. Right, now we're going to look at the seed pod. So let's start at the end. Got that. Going in a straight line. Is that at the end? Yes. Let's count the bricks.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, that's 4 bricks long. Now we're going to do the mouse. We've got to go from the tip of his nose to the tip of his tail. Okay? So let's start here then. Okay, so I'm going to start at the tip of his tail and head off towards his nose. Okay, nearly there. Nearly there, Fred. Oh, I think we're there. Right, how many bricks have we got there, Fred?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 bricks. Right, let's have a look at that egg case. Let's start over here. And that one. And that one. Oh, I think that's got to the end. Right then, Fred, how many have we got there?
1, 2, 3.
Wow, haven't we done well? So, now we need to think about some questions. Fred, which one is the shortest? That's got the least amount of bricks.
Well, it's a shell. It's only got 2 bricks.
So the shell is the shortest. Okay. Which one is the longest, Fred? That's the most bricks.
Can we count the mouse again?
Yes, we can.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the mouse. It has 5 bricks.
It's the mouse and it's 5 bricks long. Wow. Okay. Now then, Fred, if we were to put them in order, but this time, because we've done, in our last lesson, we did from shortest to longest. This time we're going to go from longest to shortest. I'm going to start with the longest one. So which one's the longest one, Fred?
The mouse.
And which one's the next one that's got the most bricks after the mouse?
The seed pod.
The seed pod. And what comes after the seed pod?
The shark egg case.
The shark egg case. And which one is the shortest?
The shell.
Okay, that's great ordering, Fred. Right, now you could do that at home if you've got some bricks. Just make sure they're the same size bricks, that's all. You could be careful like Mrs Jones and Fred and make sure that the bricks are together, they're in a line and they start at the end of the object and go to the other end of the object, okay? So that'll be a fun thing for you to do at home. And you can measure anything you like, your toys, your dinner plate, your knife, your fork, anything you can think of. Just have fun with it. Now there's one more fun thing I want you to have a go at. Me and Fred are going to do it now.
What's that?
Well, I want to see if I can make a tower as tall as you, Fred.
What?
I know. So you need to stand up here, okay? Right. Got some bricks ready, like that. Press down. Well, that's nowhere near as tall as you, Fred. Oh, that's not as tall as you. That isn't. That isn't. Oh, we're not there. Oh, Fred, we're going to have to use some of our bricks from here, aren't we? Let's see if we can take some off of our display. And we'll stick them on the top. And I'm going to measure it in a minute, Fred, and see if it's as tall as you.
I hope it's not going to fall.
I hope it's not going to fall, Fred, because we're not there yet, are we? Right, so you stand there. Oh, it's not as tall as you yet, Fred.
No.
Okay, let's borrow some more bricks. Let's put that one on. Let's put that one on. Ooh, a yellow one. A red one. Oh, it's we're nearly there. Oh, not quite. Oh, let's try that one. And let's try that one. Oh, Fred, do you think we've done it? Yay, Fred, we have done a tower as tall as you.
I hope it doesn't fall down.
Don't wobble. Don't breathe. Just in case. And if you're really clever, you could even count how many bricks. You could have a go at this at home. And you could see if you could do a tower as tall as you. It's tricky. And if it falls down, you might have to keep practicing. All right. Have fun doing some measuring. Bye-bye.